Boredom is a huge opportunity to stay in your world. So when you're sitting at home, your phone is dead, your electricity goes out, and you're sitting there and you're like, what am I gonna do? Sometimes you need time just to mentally detox. And boredom is the key to that, because you start to ponder over things that were so redundant to you, but it's staring you right in the face. So when we talked about this friend, that whenever y'all have a conversation, it's nothing positive. It's not about making you better. You think about how you're spending your time. And sometimes you just need peace and quiet, no interruptions. How many times your mind drifts off into something that, wow, I forgot about that last week, and then the phone rings. And it's like, hey bro, what are you gonna do, man? What you gonna do tonight? This is less productive than what you were thinking about, because what you were thinking about was your relationship with somebody, or the lack of your relationship with Allah. Oh, I did not pray Fajr 2 days ago. Ring, ring, ring. You left something that was much more productive in making you a better person, because you recalled some negligence that dealt with your ultimate purpose.